discussed yesterday, like headline, because basic components of the print advertising. So in that comes, headlines, subheads, body copy, visual elements, layout. Because when you would like to go with the advertisement, you need to, grab the attention of the consumer or viewers. Okay, so these are the very important thing components which well need to be well planned and designed, and it should reach the consumer. Uh, so headlines might be direct headlines, indirect headlines. This also I covered. You know how to, what creates a curiosity. You know what kind of headline you required. That varies from the product or brand or service. Depends. The kind of. These are the why you should require headlines, sub headlines, and how you need to go about. You know because these are different headlines you can use. I mean to say that benefit about the product, probably the reason why you should buy. So the headline will be like a question. Have you noticed? Are you aware about the change? So people get curious. Okay, what is the change? Okay, immediately those kind. Are you missing out? Are you losing something? Which creates some curiosity. So that kind of headlines. Uh, so that makes the people go and read. And comes the body copy. Body copy includes everything. Apart from logo and all. But see in the print media. Okay, so the message, what you would like to convey. Okay, that will be the part of the body copy. It includes everything about the feature, product, images, color combination, many things. You might be having. I know that in the ad there is a logo, headlines, sub headlines, everything will be there. Okay, so but what I mean to say that, so this need to convey, and it should be all linked. It should link to the headlines, sub headline link to the headline, then the sub headline to the body copy. All the contents. You should you know attract. What I mean to say that it should attract. So the consumer. So please be aware about these things because it's very interesting topic. These all things. Today I'm going to, because with this I'm going to end this third unit. Uh, okay. So I'm going to I'll take you through the through the website. I hope you're able to see now.
Yes,
Are able
sir.
to see?
And
Yeah, that
now,
website are able to see. Correct. Okay. Just for you, see, I want to show that. Look at this. Correct. It's a Burger King ad. It's a print ad. So it talks about you have the logo there. Burger King logo is there. Correct. Slogan and the logo is there. It just tastes better. Okay. So slogan and logo will be there, and you could find the image. Then it will blow your mind away. Such a big heading, such a big font they have used. So we consider as a headline. Okay. Okay. It will blow your mind away because immediately that kind of headline will grab the attention, makes people to look at it. Look at there down subheadline BK Super 7 incher. It says about the product feature. It says that that burger is almost a 7 inch, in the, 7 inch burger. So that shows somewhere size. Okay, the length of it. Okay, and also on the right side you could see body copy. Okay, so the write up is there, and above that, apart from the you find the two images. It shows a BK Super 7 incher burger, and you also find there is a, if you buy Coke as well as the French fries along with that, it will $6.25 per meal it will cost. Along with that Super 7 inch burger for $6.25 you're going to get. Okay, a 7 inch burger. Along with that, you going to get a coffee, is Coca-Cola, as well as your French fries. And body copy, which explains the information about that, about the 7 inch burger. What are the things That's called as the information which you need, because people or the consumers want to see. By looking at this, it will blow away your mind. 7 incher. Okay, okay, fine. What is else? What else is there? What are the feature? What is the uniqueness of this burger? Something you should be mentioned. So that shows. You could clearly tells you that. Okay, so body copy. So today example, this is how it will appear. Even you can take it forward to the print media or TV advertising. Over there it is up to you, like how you want to showcase. Okay, so in the newspaper also you can print in the big hoardings, you can go with that. Okay, so but you should have uniqueness. Okay, so it says that essential of a good advertisement copy. So a copy is made on ad copy is made on a various principles, okay, of which are integrated into few lines of copy. So you could see the essential of an ad copy. So it says that credibility, it should credible, with a lot of good information, genuine information, credible, okay, attention, confirming, you should confirm, apt, short and sweet, clear. It should be away from, it should not be ambiguity. It should not include ambiguity, confusing kind. It should be clear. The message should be clear. It should be brief, okay, and you should also inform the consumer about the benefits of this product or service which they are talking about. Okay, this all explanation is there because by looking at this flowchart only you can come to know what kind of ad you need to create, because that's the reason we have discussed the topic creativity in the third unit, media planning. One of the topic was creativity, and especially we have discussed the planning of the creativity, okay, execution of the creativity and implementation, then assessment, and the evaluation of a. See, it's very important. That's the reason nowadays we are coming across, we are coming across so many ads. That's the reason not all the consumers will be happy with the particular kind of ad. You today, you watch TV ads, you watch billboards, you watch posters, you watch outdoor advertisement, you watch indoor advertisements, you watch advertising print media, you broadcast media, like you listen to radios. See, try to listen and try to evaluate yourself how those ads are. Okay, which ad made you happy? You know, what is the headline? How did they, what was the headline of this particular ad? Please, go through. So this is how, it's all about, part of the media planning. Okay. Even I have these all five, six classes I've shared in the YouTube also. This is what classes I've already done, not to you. This third unit ad, even we have VCT, MBA, and YouTube we have created. In that, it has been uploaded. Whenever you want to see, you can go back and see. Okay, same last five classes. Okay, let's look at few more examples which I have. So let's see that. Okay, just a minute. Okay, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This 25 Indian ads that used mind-blowing creativity to get the message across. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is not the latest one. It is of this, this write-up. This article is of 2017. 3 years old, almost 3 years old. But still, holds good. Okay. So it has been said that more in very creativity. Creatively it has been done. Okay. Um so you could see that first one, it goes like, I did not choose my husband, but I can choose my jewelry. Okay, that's how, you have the option to choose. Okay, so something, creative kind, you look at this one stands out. It's about a tide. Okay, tide plus, which says that so much you find in this image, a person sleeping with the fish, cat, everything. Oh, there, and tide plus comes with the fragrance, like, either the rose and you know rose fragrance. They have come out with the Tide Plus product. Okay, jasmine and rose combination, something. It gives you such a fragrance. Even if you keep, you get happy. That kind of, when you wash your clothes over it cleans. Something it conveys. Okay, so they come out with a new, which tells about that. Okay, next you look at the, okay, some of the example, because why we have to look at, see, whenever we have studied and discussed this media planning, and we have discussed especially advertising communication, we have been talking about it. Whole subject is is about integrated marketing communication, because we are companies communicate through the ads. Okay, so look at this Nissan's clever utilization of the ad space. Nissan. Okay, see, it's like old photo they have in the background. Ranveer Kapoor is there. They have parked the car there. Okay, so it's clearly, you look at that, your left side. Those days won't come back, nor will those huge parking spots. It says that those dates will not come back, but because now everywhere you find too many cars. Understand? Parking is difficult. But in their case, he's telling them Micra will take a very less space and you are able to park it very easily, even though space is less. Nowadays, you can't park, you don't get that kind of free space like in the olden days. So that's how something which conveys, beautiful. See, background is the whole. Look at the black and white picture, and the front is the Micra. It's stand out. Very attractive. Advertisement. Okay, not visible actually. Camels. But Rajasthan tourism was there. You must have seen. And you look at this ad, Berger Paints. Okay, Berger Paints is a very creative ad. It shows like sky is the similar color. It shows like how important is the message I want to convey. Okay, the design. You look at that little explicit but gets a message across. You look at that. What do you come to know here from this ad? Okay, so immediately you might think that it's a color. You know, there is a color which is coming out, red color is coming out of the mobile phone. No, what it really conveys is that don't talk while you are driving. It's a blood. Okay, so while you are driving, so this things might happen to you. Okay, so it's like one kind of fear. It, you might feel not, you do not want to, feel like seeing this ad, but you have to. And this image tells a lot of things. Huge difference it makes. Okay, in the minds of the consumer. Okay, then you look at Fevicol. I think it's one of the best ads of all time. Fevicol ads, and this also Bill Gates. This is a priceless ads they have given, but here the piece is gone. Something they have in full, but here Fevicol picture was there. The part of the picture has taken over there. So this is one. Then look at the found a job. Beggar, Naukri.com. A great technique employed by Naukri.com. How they are, doing it. Okay, next you look at. See, these are all the creative ads. We should, share this as much as possible. So our coin, agree? Okay. So what we should share. You see that here word SHER they are not given. They are given SHER, share. Our Indian, here the lions are there, agree? Okay, lion. But in the lion is missing. Okay, lion is missing because down there is a message. Lions in India are vanishing. So this is a message I want to convey because one day you don't find that symbol in our coins also because there are lions which are missing. It is by the WWF, World Wildlife Federation. This ad. Okay, so please look at this, how beautiful. So this is like, it might look like little admit it, you are always been crazy about topless models. Okay, Jeep, Mahindra. Okay, then also has pages 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and stay ahead of the times. Each one you look at this, Cam Churan. Okay, look at the parachute for thick hair. You won't get hair is come out and you find one single hair there. You won't get this if you are thick. Okay, that's the reason you are supposed to use a parachute. And look at this. Yahoo literally up their ad game. So here there is a you could see there is a flyover of metro, and actually you look like it's been lifted. Actually that's a billboard. It's a billboard, and they have designed a billboard in such a way that it is a picture of the, that has been raised there. It looks like the track, the flyover of the, it has been lifted there. It looks like that, but what they are telling, carry heavy attachments. It says that our Yahoo Mail, you can attach heavy mails. Okay, so that is how. And look at the next one. We should watch out for such ads. Okay, it says that same person, one guy has fallen and is injured, same person who is looking at the other person. What it reminds is that You will be in this place one day. It says that don't turn a blind eye to an accident victim. There is a social message which is conveyed. Okay, today you are a spectator here. Okay, looking at somebody who is injured and you're not helping him because thinking that he's accident victim. If I take him to the hospital, I have to go through these legal procedures, all those things you want to avoid. Okay, but what is that? Tomorrow you might be the same person. You are today a spectator, but after some time, after some days, there is a situation you might be a victim of it. Same person. Okay, you will be a victim. You might be in the same situation. Then others also do in the same way. See, it conveys a very powerful message. Okay, don't turn blind eye to the accident victims. These are all creative messages. See, this is all how it's been pushed kind of ad, and it talks about this. I think many people must have seen this. Okay, those who are smokers, get ready to get buried, to die early. Okay, if you are smoking, that means you will be buried early. You are going to die early. That is how they are going to create an awareness. Okay, so next comes Kejriwal probably had this number on his speed dial. It says that want to hold dharna or protest. Don't do everywhere. Okay, come to Ramlila Maidan. Contact. If you want to do any dharna, come to Ramlila Maidan. So Delhi police are telling that because Delhi police is creating awareness. Unauthorized demonstration wherever you want is against the law. So it says that go and book your Ramlila Maidan in Delhi. Okay,
Wait, thank
what happened? Any question? Anything you would like to ask? Okay. Then you look at placement. It says about help someone stand tall again. Okay. Jaipur foot. Because those who have lost the foot, no, people do not have foot. Their Jaipur foot is something in artificial foot, which has been, they are supplying. So this is that you see how there are two poles shown as a legs. It gives a very powerful image. Then look at here a joint account proposed by Union Bank. So along with Gandhiji, you find his wife photo. It says about convey what it conveys. It says you open a joint account. So this is the method which is used to promote. Okay. Then this is a well conceived. You find there is a mother holding a child, but in the shadow you find the mother looks like a pregnant. So what it conveys is that adopt a child because nothing wrong in adopting child. Okay. So next look at Tide ad. Okay, on the green, you know, over there you find the orange sky in between. Because of tide, your clothes are so bright and white, clean, and green lawn you find. And on the in this image, you are used to wish the Independence Day. See the creativity. Okay, ultimately you're reaching out to consumers, telling that using a tide, the clothes are so white, whiter. Okay, it shows that image shows like a Indian flag. Okay, so on the Independence Day, they have wished. They have circulated or they have launched this ad. See how unique they are. Here you look at Mumbai police hoarding. Okay, you might find that there's a too much writing written on it. Message is written on that. It does not look attractive. Okay, but usually too much written. It tells about like use the public transport instead of using your own car. Okay, they have given a number 3,67,742 cars are there in the city. So they are telling about more about that, like how important, if there is a less cars on the road, you might be able to reach your destination very early. Use public transport, and this kind of big hoardings will be idle at the your traffic signals because in the traffic signals people are going to wait for around 1 minute, 2 minutes, depends. So then the people are able to read this. Okay, so these are traffic signals and all will be a huge influence on the minds of the consumer, creating awareness. Okay, so then comes a new art mission address, huge problem in our country. See, winter's collection. It says it shows a poor girl with paper. What is mainly talking about is please never waste your clothes. It's of a more of a Karnataka oriented. Okay, so 33.4% of the population in Karnataka. Okay, okay, so are suffering like that. They do not have a proper clothes. Okay, garbage in fashion. So that's the reason they're telling, please donate your old clothes to a new new Arc Mission. This is a new Arc Mission is an NGO. It says that please donate your old clothes, do not just throw it away, because there are so many 33% of the people in Karnataka do not have proper clothes to wear. Okay, see, this is a powerful message. I hope, see, these are the beautiful creative message has a huge impact, and people will, it carries a message and makes a big difference in the minds of the consumers. Okay, see, it might be a 3 4 years old, but whenever we come across this kind of latest, regularly we come across latest ads, so it makes a difference. Okay, it has a huge impact on us. So that's one. Okay, next, I'll see whether it's going. Some of the top 10 ads which have been watched in YouTube on YouTube, okay, of 2018, okay, which is highly, I don't think so, it's loading. Yeah, top 10 ads of 2018, which is highly watched on YouTube. So first one will be new hero passion. Okay, Zamana ho gaya fida, hoga fida. You could see that, how many positive likes 501, dislikes 43, around 20, 2 crore people have watched that. Okay, and 80% are positive, given positive response toward that ad. Only 20% are given neutral response, but there is no negative response you find in this ad. Okay, so this is the ad you could see. Then comes a Vodafone Zuzu. Okay, so you this ad, it says that, there are 16% have given, you know positive, and 83% have given neutral, but nobody has given a negative, uh, you know the response for that. Then comes Van Heusen fashion weddings. Okay, so positive 50%, neutral 45, only 4.2% people have given a negative feedback about that ad. Okay, this, you can all watch this. Then comes a Samsung Galaxy super slow motion camera. Okay, so here you could see 90% are positive about that ad, only 10% are negative. Okay, Raymond Khadi collection. So 75% are positive, 25% are neutral, but nobody has given negative. So this ad, Raymond's, okay, Raymond's Khadi collection ad. Then comes Big Bazaar. Okay, so 80% neutral, 20% positive. Okay, this ad. Similarly, Flipkart Smart Buy. These youngsters, they have used small kids and, personifying the older people, and this is how it has been done. Okay, neutral, positive. It's a mixed, feelings, mixed response they have got for this ad. So Go Cash Fest, introducing Go Ibibo. Okay, with Deepika Padukone. So see, you could see these are the, next comes Amazon's ad. Amazon moving from one city to a new city. Don't worry that your local Amazon shop is there. If you like that, conveying that wherever you move, might be changing from the old city to new city. Don't worry, Amazon is there. Don't worry, we will be reaching. Your local shop is Amazon. Like that, they have portrayed. It has been well accepted by the liked by people on YouTube. Okay, so then comes this one. Okay, 64% positive, 35% on, neutral about Flipkart Amazon ad. Then comes your Coca-Cola celebrating relationships. Okay, share a Coke and build a relationship. So this is, see, these are the top 10 ads which have been watched, and these ads you must have come across even in the TV. Same ads have been aired in the TVs as well, and same ads will go to the YouTube. And here in the YouTube, you will come to know how beautifully, like how people have responded, how many people have liked it, how many people have viewed it. Okay, so that makes a difference. Okay, so see, these are all real examples. I recommend, please, you know go through these kind of real things